خامسا عدد مرات غسل الأعضاء. How many times you should wash each part. عن النسائي عن عمرو بن شعيب عن أبيه عن جده قال جاء أعرابي إلى النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم. أعرابي is people who live in a rural area, Bedouin. Yeah. They have clean heart. They will never backbite you when you turn away, like the people of the city do. Yeah. They will never lie to you, prefer to die rather than to lie. But they are rough and rude. You know, rough. Yeah, telling the truth in front of your face. So he came and asked the Prophet WUDU. فأراه, Prophet showed him ثلاثا, thrice, 3 times each part. فقال هكذا الوضوء. فمن زاد, if you wash more than 3 times, فقد أساء, yeah, you done evil job. وتعدى, transgression to the limit which the Prophet ﷺ set it up. وظلم, and you wronged, and you done wrong. So no more than 3. If you say suspect, did I wash twice or 3 times? Stop. Why? Because you are allowed to wash once, you are allowed to wash twice, you are allowed to wash 3 times. In the Sahih عن معاذ بن جبل قال كان نبي الله صلى الله عليه وسلم يتوضأ واحدة, one is each limb. واثنتين, or twice in each limbs. Or وثلاثا, or 3 times in each limbs. كل ذلك كان يفعله. Prophet صلى الله عليه وسلم done all that. And here now, you can start your wudu, wash your face once, your hands once, and your feet once. Or you can wash your face twice, your hand twice, your feet twice. Or you can wash your face 3 times, your hand 3 times, and your feet 3 times. But there's another one also. If you wash your face twice, and your hands once, and your feet 3 times, acceptable. That's also acceptable. But not more than 3. طريقة مسح الرأس, the way the head will be rubbed or wiped. How we should wipe the head. متفق عليه عن عبد الله بن يزيد بن عاصم رضي الله عنه في صفة الصلاة, في صفة الوضوء. He have long hadith descriptions of the wudu of the Prophet صلى الله عليه وسلم. ومسح صلى الله عليه وسلم برأسه. بدأ بمقدم رأسه. He started from the front of his head. Yeah. ثم ذهب بهما, both hands. Yeah. بهما both إلى قفاه, until the back of the head. ثم ردهما, and then he returned it back. So scholars said, if you put your thumbs on the sides of your head, go back and come up. Yeah. What you are wiping is on top of the hair, not the head itself. Yeah. So that means if your hair is moved up or down, that's no problem. Yeah. And you don't not required from you to wash every hair in your head. But you are running wet hands, you are not washing, you're taking water to your head, just wet hands. Yeah. You wipe all the way to the back of the head and then come back to where you start. للمكان الذي بدأ منه. مسح الرأس والعمامة. You can wipe your forelock, forehead, and the turban. If the turban is a bit difficult to remove it, yeah, what you can do, you can wipe imama if it's difficult to remove, or you can wipe part of your head and the imamah together. Muslim narrated عن مغيرة بن شعبة رضي الله عنه النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم توضأ فمسح بناصيته, he passed it with hand on his forelock, وعلى العمامة and the turban, والخفين and two leather socks. طريقة مسح الأذنين, how you can wipe your ears. We didn't see wiping ears before, isn't it? So what it means here. Abu Dawud narrated عن عبد الله بن عمرو رضي الله عنهما في صفة الوضوء قال ثم مسح صلى الله عليه وسلم برأسه وأدخل إصبعيه السباحتين في أذنيه. Sabaha. Sabaha means the one you say the shower. Index finger. So now we want to wipe the both fingers. So the other one is going to be similar to this and call it Sabaha. But Sabaha normally is only the index finger of right hand. So what he done, he put the fingers in his ears and ومسح بأبهميه, and he took external with the thumbs of أذنيه. So how he done it? You wipe, you take water in your hand and you throw the water, and wet hand you wipe your head, and then still the wet hand you put your inside ear. So inside ear is all these are inside. And then wipe the thumb at the back. So not only here inside the hole, but all these are inside. So wipe this inside, because all these are inside. Wipe inside the finger and the thumb at the back of the ear. That's the way the Prophet ﷺ done it. وَمَسَحَ بِإِبْهَامَيْهِ ظَاهِرَ أُذُنَيْهِ. So now the main hadith doesn't mention ears. Why? Because ears are part of the head. The same wet hand of your wipe on your head you are using in your ears. So it doesn't mention it as a separate standing item.